opinion, in much the same way it's a shame to review a pickup truck without at least trying to put its capabilities to the test. In the case of a work van like this ProMaster 2500, it's criminal. This isn't a coddling lifestyle vehicle with a bed in the back, it's a box on wheels made to haul stuff. Any niceties like heated seats, a leather-wrapped steering wheel and the Uconnect infotainment systems are welcome, but incidental. So I used it like a work van, or at least tried to. I shoved a deck's worth of pressure-treated lumber in the back, used it to tow a boat, stopped by the donut shop, went to a wedding. Hey, around here you drive what you've got the keys to. It wasn't exactly van life, or at least not the glamorous hashtag take on it you'll see on Instagram, but by the end of the weekend, the 7-foot wide, plus mirrors, and 8.5-foot tall echo chamber didn't feel quite so massive or foreign. Were I a business owner, motorcycle shop proprietor, semi-pro grassroots racer or, I dunno, freelance furniture delivery guy, I'd be giving this a serious look. Vans of any size are so darn practical, offering added security for precious cargo, protection from the elements, a huge factor here in the Midwest, and in the case of high-roof models, enough headroom to set up a mobile workshop in there. There's room to get creative. But again, unlike a pickup, you can't just unhitch the work trailer and drive it into town in comfort and style. It's a fairly basic, bare-bones tool, and its specs reflect that. The gasoline 3.6 liters modest 280 horsepower, 260 pounds-to-foot output had no trouble dragging the van to expressway speeds, and it didn't even notice the boat I hooked to the back. That the whole thing can't weigh much more than a